Right, so I am late this month with my Agora mystery boxes. So we've got one video, the mystery skincare edit and the mystery makeup edit by Agora. Let's get in here. Hi there guys and welcome. Today's video I have an Agora unboxing for you. So normally I do my videos separately. I do a skincare mystery box and then I do a makeup mystery box. Today I'm going to do them both together. Normally I do them a little bit earlier in the month and I've just been so busy this month I haven't got around to it. So let's get them done both together this time. So let's have a look. Here are the boxes. I have no idea which is which. So let's just get started. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you do like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm going to link a video here. In that video, it's going to be showing you what's in the giveaway. There's three great prizes, the main one being the glossy 2021 advent calendar. So yeah, as I say, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you can recommend my channel to your friends and family, hopefully if they subscribe, yeah, we get to 2,000 and I can give these prizes away and get them out of my house. Right, I'm just picking this box first, so let's open it up. These boxes were $12.99 each. Oh yeah, so these boxes were $12.99 each. This one looks to be, I think, the makeup one. I think it's the makeup one. So there is a sneak peek for you. Not a very good one, but it was a sneak peek. There you go. But yeah, I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box, and there's a welcome code there too, so use that if you would wish to do so. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So as usual, we get our little thank you card, just thanking we for shopping with them. Guys, so the first product we have is this, and I must say I'm loving the packaging. It is cute. So this is by the brand Starskin, and it is Organic Pink Cactus Serum Mist. Okay, so you can see there's bits floating there. It's just... okay, it's like oil because you can see it the way that it's balling up in there. Is this not skincare? Have I got mixed up with the boxes? No, it's got makeup products in there. Okay. Let's spray it. I'm just going to spray it on my hand because I'm actually going to get ready for work in a moment and I don't want to go in all shiny. But it's a nice fine mist. That's what it's like when you first spray it on. Just rub that in. Feels alright. Smells freaking gorgeous. And then yeah, it's left a nice little glow there. I wonder how that will react with makeup. Oh, I suppose you put this on before makeup. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. And the second item we have is this. So this is by the brand Pop Band London, and it's the world's kindest hair dye, the original Pop Band. Okay, so it's not really makeup though, is it? And it's not really, even if it was in the skincare box, it's not really skincare either. But okay, I mean, they look cute. I'd never wear them outside of the house. But they look okay, I suppose. The third product we have is this. It's a pair of eyelashes, and they are by Eye Candy London. And they are, what are they? Wispy texture, corner sweep, full look. Out of the Darkness collection. Okay, so not really my thing. We've had eyelashes a few months in a row by Agora, and yeah, not really my thing. If you've noticed, the outer corners of them are purple. So yeah, I personally wouldn't use these, but there's people out there that would, that are more adventurous than me because I'm a bit boring. So yeah, for somebody out there it would be a good product. The fourth and final product we have in the box is this. So this I am liking. So this is by Brushworks, very affordable brand, and this is a luxury 5-piece brow set, premium tweezers and brushes for perfect brows. fantastic. The only thing is I don't do my brows. I'm a bit terrible when it comes to my brows. I kind of just use, well, although recently I've been good, I have been using like a brow tint or something, but normally I do use just a brown mascara on my eyebrows. But I can't appreciate that. That's lovely. That's really nice. Make a good gift for somebody, or keep it for yourself if you do things with your eyebrows. But I might pop that in a future giveaway possibly. So guys, this is the mystery makeup box. What do you think? Right, we've taken that one away and now we have this skincare one. Let's open this one up. So there is there's a mess for you. There's kind of a sneak peek for you. Let's dig through and have a good look. So again, we have a little thank you card, thanking them for shopping with them, so that is good. Right, so the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Lord and Berry. Is that makeup? No, it says all-in-one ointment. Okay, all-in-one is a multi-purpose beauty must-have to help your skin balance. It is a solid serum for repair with high concentration, natural dry oils and ingredients that melt into the skin. That certainly sounds interesting. I must admit it's really, really nice to get something different by Lord and Berry. Certainly is. So just opening it up there and that is what it looks like. Oh, it melts straight away when you pop your hand in there. Oh, cool. So there you can see where I put it on there. Look at that glow. It smells very familiar. What does that smell of? It's not coconut. It's not vanilla. Does it smell of cacao? I don't know, but it smells really, really nice. And yeah, definitely nice to get a different product from Lord & Berry. Right, so the second product we have is this. So this is by Blossom and Bloom and it's Legs 11 Cooling Leg Serum. Okay, very different. My packaging is totally destroyed. So yeah, yeah, but here it is. It just says squeeze a little into your hands and massage from your ankles all the way up to your knees for external use only. We only use top quality ethically sourced ingredients, so that is one less thing for you to worry about. Okay, aloe vera, leaf juice, peppermint leaf oil. Yeah, leg serum, everybody. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by Beauty Pro. I love Beauty Pro and their face masks and eye masks and so on. And this is Eye Therapy Under Eye Mask. Collagen, green tea, vitamin A and E, anti-aging formula. Oh, you get 3 pairs in here. I'm liking that. Yeah, that's cool. So you whack them on for 20 minutes, or if you're like me, you whack them on a night time, forget that they're there, leave them on for longer. But all good. So yeah, really, really happy to get these. Right, so product number 4 is this. Can you see it? No, because I can't either. There is no product number 4 in here, which I'm really, really upset about. Really, really upset about actually. I feel very hard done to. It's so privileged of me to say. Yeah. I don't know what to make of this skincare one. Very strange. But this is the January mystery skincare box. What do you think? Right guys, so personally, I don't know. I actually really don't know. So the Lord & Berry, like I say, it's really, really nice to get a different product by Lord & Berry. The leg serum stuff, I'll make a point to use it, or I'll try to make a point to use it. But I've kind of got like body oils and I've got body butters and body creams. So a dedicated leg serum, it's a nice idea, I suppose it is. And the eye mask, perfect, absolutely perfect. I'll have 100 of them, please. Thank you very much. So it's all right, but I'm really upset there's no 4th product. I just went on the app to check, because they used to say on the app you get 4 products in your box, but they don't anymore. So do you get 4 products in your box now, or can they give you less? Because now they've taken it, they haven't stated on there I don't know. Right, so that is that, guys. Comment down below. Let me know, do you get this box? Have you got 4 products in each box? What did you get in your boxes? Any different to mine? Let me know all the things. Let's have a chat down below. But yeah, I'm a bit gutted now it's ended like that, but that concludes the video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.